Okay, again, our theme for this week is Make Money Trading in November of 2024. Firstly, we'll look at the historical seasonality of November. And we'll also talk about the impacts of the election, the Fed interest rate decision, the probability of the Fed cutting going in this week or going forward. So firstly, if we talk about the historical seasonality of November, see that November tends to be a positive month. We can see the past 5 years. So we've got the past 5, 10, 20 since 1950. So it's been even more positive the past 5 years, the past 10 years than historically in the past. So November tends to be very positive, and we get that slight drop off. December's still positive, but not as much as November. So we see November's even more positive than October, and October I think was pretty positive in general. So again, good general trend in November, and then possible drop off a little bit in December. So also, since we talked back in October, we got the question about how the stock markets perform in a presidential year. So we've got several previous videos talking about how to trade around the elections, the presidential election cycle, trading in November of an election year. And also I asked ChatGPT that question like we did in October, but how do the stock markets perform in November? So we can go over that answer from ChatGPT very quickly. I'll zoom this up a bit. So we can see November and US election years often bring heightened volatility, influence on market performance driven by the outcome. Got pre-election uncertainty, so we have seen the VIX, now up over 20 a little bit. Investors anticipate shifts in fiscal, regulatory, international policy, and we know there'd be significant shifts in those policies depending on who wins. And they'll fluctuate based on polls, debates, and we'll hear the early results, etc., polls, and that will cause additional volatility. And after the election, immediately after the election, short-term reaction based on the winning candidate. Markets often respond favorably to a clear result, but drop if the outcome is delayed or contested. And again, in my humble opinion, the probability that we'll get delayed or contested results is pretty high. And that's my humble opinion. Historically, if the incumbent wins, markets tend to react more predictably. Change in leadership can fluctuations, so more volatility. You get a change in regime. Sector specific, so we've talked in the past couple weeks about Trump versus Harris stocks and how we can trade those results. So Democrats tend to be positive for renewable energy. Defense and healthcare tend to respond more favorably to Republicans. Since 1928, post-positive returns in November of election years. So again, historically, November is a positive month. In election years, it has a tendency to be positive. November in election years leans towards positive. 2016, we had a 3.4% rise in November. 2020, we had a 10.8. So again, all very positive. Again, you can reference that, read that answer from ChatGPT in more detail via the link in our notes. Also, we've got several short videos about how the markets tend to perform in November, the best performing sectors and industries in November. So you can reference all those articles or all those videos via the links in our notes. Okay, next we'll talk about the Fed interest rate decision. So again, another source of volatility this week, although as we'll see, the probability that's being expected of a cut is very high. So if we get, an interest rate decision that's different from the expectation, could cause a dramatic swing in the market and dramatic volatility. So again, just a quick reminder, we'll go over the Fed rate monitoring tool, also the CME Fed Watch tool, and you can find links to both of these tools also in the reference links section of our links on our homepage, beachbumtrading.com, bum without the U. So again, you can reference these tools and look at the varying probabilities of Fed interest rate decision at any time via the links on our homepage. Again, beachbumtrading.com, bum without the U. Let me grab a quick drink and we'll go over both the Fed rate monitoring tool and the CME watch tool. We also have videos via the links in our notes on how you can use the Fed rate monitoring tool, how to stay up to date with the probability of FOMC rate moves with the CME Fed watch tool, both via the links in our notes. Okay, firstly, if we look at the Fed rate monitoring tool in investing.com, again, you've got a countdown clock to the next decision. We look at the probability for hike, cut, etc. For the November 7 decision, we can see a 95.6% probability of a quarter basis point cut, only a 4% chance that they do nothing. So again, the Fed rate monitoring tool predicting that we'll get a 25 basis point cut, even though, again, in my humble opinion, the data says we don't really need a rate cut. We still got sticky inflation, job market's still resilient. The Fed rate monitoring tool, most traders are predicting a 25 basis point cut. And I think the Fed's kind of committed to a path of cutting. We look at December, we've got an 81% probability we're going to get another 25 basis point cut. Only 18% chance that we'll only have a 125 basis point cut by December, and almost zero of no cuts. If we go to January, now it's pretty split. Got 2 cuts, 3 cuts. Again, pretty balanced. So again, everyone's expecting a 25 basis point cut. If we get a hold, I think the market may react pretty negatively. Let's look at the CME watch tool as well. So similarly, a countdown clock. It has 98.9% chance of a 25 basis point cut, 1.1 of no cuts. Go to December. Now we've got almost 83% chance of 2 cuts, 17% of 1 cut. Again, now January, we've got a pretty balanced 2 cuts, 3 cuts. Again, not definitive in either case. So again, everyone's pretty much expecting at least a 25 basis point cut in November and another 25 basis point December. Again, that's pretty much the dot plot that they've given us. They've been telling us, 50 basis point more in cuts this year. So everyone's pretty much expecting 25 on Thursday, 25 in December. So again, anything out of those expectations could cause some significant volatility in the market, probably a negative reaction if we don't get a cut at this time. So we've also been talking about the trends for the fall. So you can hear our previous discussions about how to make money trading in the fall.
The content of this video was produced by BeachBum Trading. We hope you will choose to also join us in the BeachBum Trading community and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Visit us at our homepage at beachbumtrading.com, the bum without the U. Similarly on Twitter, BeachBum Trading, bum without the U. On Facebook and in our BeachBum Trading Facebook group. Please follow us on Pinterest and on Instagram. All of the links to our social media sites will be included in the description box below, and we hope you will choose to subscribe to our BeachBum Trading YouTube channel and follow us on social media. Thank you. We also cordially want to invite you to our new BeachBum Trading Community Discord server, where we can have discussions on all topics related to trading, success in trading, investing, etc. You can see alerts when we make trades, changes to our watch list, etc. So again, please join us in the new BeachBum Trading Community Discord server. You should be able to find a link in the description box below. You can also find a link in the social media category on our webpage, beachbumtrading.com, without the bum without the U, and also in the link section on the About page of our YouTube channel, etc. So again, we look forward to seeing you in the BeachBum Trading Community Discord server soon. Wave and say hello. BeachBum Trading also now has a site on Patreon. If you are willing and able to help support our efforts to produce all the content and help you achieve the financial freedom you want, deserve, to be able to live the BeachBum lifestyle or any other kind of lifestyle you would like, and you're willing and able to help support our efforts in these regards, we hope you'll choose to visit our Patreon page. You can get access to our new BeachBum Trading Community Discord server, which is currently under construction, but you will get access to the Discord server by supporting us through Patreon. Again, this is all currently under construction, but you can see we just have the default levels, membership levels, but again, each level allows support, allows access to our Discord. We're also posting our trade positions initially in our Discord, and again, we greatly appreciate any support that you're willing and able to provide. So thank you for your consideration. Another way that you can help support BeachBum Trading and being able to produce frequent quality content for you for free on YouTube, etc., is in addition to subscribing to our BeachBum Trading channel, hitting the like button on our videos, and hitting the notify so you're alerted when we release further videos. You can also choose to show your support for BeachBum Trading with a super thanks, which you can find below this video. If you hit the heart with the $sign, the super thanks, again, you can financially support BeachBum Trading in whatever amount that you wish, and we greatly appreciate your support, and that will help us, again, be able to produce frequent quality content that we can provide for you and all your fellow BeachBum traders around the world for free on YouTube. So again, we greatly appreciate all of your support, and thank you very much. Thank you again for watching our video. We hope that you liked it. If so, please smash the like button, give us a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing to our BeachBum Trading YouTube channel. Please share this video with your fellow traders and friends. And please give us your feedback and any recommendations for improvement in the comments section below. And let us know what else we can do to help you in your trading career. Thank you again, good luck, and have a great trading day.
If you like this video, we hope you will choose to subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking on the box in the upper left-hand corner. You can watch another video like this by clicking on the box in the lower right-hand corner. And we have a whole playlist of videos like this that you can access via the box in the upper right-hand corner. Our latest video is available in the box in the lower left-hand corner. We hope you like this and have a great day.